Abusia for Sabra Minuka say, I shine my court at this missy a year habis corpus a year the lawyers of Oliver Barker Vomo FILA saying the IGP and also Attorney General ewo court na Omababe in Simbiano updates no in Saint Pinana a word train more details ewobuno banana I give us more details about this particular case no we beka say ya this missy case no ya this missy case no bia yese Oliver Barker onko fie ni ade mu cheche un ebuso for mema details kakra about this. The reason in Yinani say Yinani the case is here ekoso ewo court the state no ene Oliver Barker vomowo eko nyina ye messages are post here on the Facebook page among for chima there be messages we need there enya asem so yebeka ya na say cry ye gini kodita course so no o make post be thumbs up near the na front here o course wa keke kansem near the until say na say 11 no po the president na another dan Akuffo Addo ye na have say obema 11 number ene na onu ankasa e na ebekwa ko stage this school na ye de etia no eno na enam so ma emra Oliver Barker Vomowo ebepiem Accra Kotoka International Airport pe na police wo nya hin say there be abrante no aba bepiem wo Ghana ha say ene yenya wild na yenkwochi na yekokwochi na ayentimi an grant ni bill ma me ne wo kasi Oliver edasoa ewo police custody abusuafo bill yan grant no ene ade ensempi na ekoso ene ade na no na ebetodwa say ene tema ashaman sorry ashaman court dismiss FAOBia ne lawyers for FILA na fa ni nyina NSA yenim say CCA no assembly is between IGP and I say the state and Oliver Barker from Monte Attorney General and somebody abrante akopimo court na the lawyers demand these two penifoi e wo court so omba be yi sema no omombra na ombe chirechire semu the reason why my yachi Oliver Barker atuma omompese betimi agrant ni bi no na ashaman court ni jema o ma asem we ni de eni nyina so yente intino what this messy case na details kakra ewo mu eno na so far ne yakoso with Oliver Barker wo mo any ashaman court ni IGP Attorney General in general comment on it. So
first of all, Nchake send committee for let me retrade it here, sir. In as much as this habeas corpus in Semia Bay, habeas corpus in Samabano, I would like to state emphatically clear. So we are getting an information that this news itself, no, will be more air patches and distorted. So the people who initially reported the news, no, could be able to say Ghana where, but Omunina news if you are. The article currently does not exist there, but the news here previously, perhaps because in as much as they've not debunked it. There's a possibility that something is going on now. What we talk, be a habeas corpus is basically a court order. Require someone or in police custody say appear in court for a particular reason. So basically, Oliver Barker when say you joining the case for 28th of February. But if this habeas corpus was anything to go by, not yet change a year Oliver Barker could not as an DBN say at charges near the abon ye didn't in ya not say a pententem, but yes in case of anything bit my April bill a man we and the court dismissed it on allegedly dismissed it on if anything the argument say once another court have actually said say Oliver Barker Vomowo in keeping in custody for a particular reason, they think say the courts have every right to do so, and they really respect that order which came from the other court, and until they are dismissing the fresh allegation which is coming thereof. So this is what we know about Oliver Barker Vomowo. And you realize earlier this week in 75, and I told you something. NET for say, see, case now air question. We are going to see a shift. The shift that we are going to see is we are going to see the lawyers of Oliver Barker, which is made up of the former president's lawyer and the current president's lawyer, which is Akuffo Addo and the rest, try as much as possible to file a fresh application. Remember I said that, and this is exactly what is happening. I also said there's going to be an attempt to move the case from the local police, which is at a Shaman District Court, to the Accra High Court, because the case in nature and the state channel, the jurisdiction in question does not help. the jurisdiction here baby a dear sem no any authority or more no. In this case, a shaman magistrate court, a shaman cannot determine if a case brought about against somebody is a treasonable offense or not. We need a higher place, which is the Accra High Court. So we are going to see some shifts. Basically, in South America, we've seen some pointers and also some indicates, and perhaps certain things. I just say these things are more likely from the lawyers. But currently, because information we have indicates that this is not true.
Oh, information say not true, but I don't know if where a high court decision. I am reading from graphic.com.gh.
Okay.
I will say way call so 17th February 2022. I say, by the time a high court presided over by Justice Daniel Mensah on Thursday, February 17, 2022, held that the application for habeas corpus had failed so far as there have been an intervening event of Baka Vomawo being presented before a district court, of which a bill application had been refused. Council should rather follow the advice given by the district magistrate in her ruling on the earlier application for bail to either appeal against the decision of the district court or repeat the application at the high court. You see where some Justice Mensah and refuse the habeas corpus
application. So you see, sir, basically, of late, more why no be a friend, say, oh, you're a lawyer. Well, I'm not a lawyer, but most at times in some course I'm able to predict the ending of it. I think say 99% you've got the prediction right. And so beginning when this case came, I can't catch it here for say we are going to see this move from the council of a year of war, and it's evidence because showing some now if this is true, I'll move you see habeas corpus now. We share directive from a year the judges now. It clearly tells you say as some Americans say they should either seek the matter again or appeal against that particular ruling which came say adjourn case 28 February or move the case to a different jurisdiction, which is the Accra High Court. So basically whatever we are saying is what the judges are also implicating and saying that this is the right move which is supposed to be made, and it's not said I was saying it's now or be pray for any habeas corpus. Okay.
This is what is going on between the states and IGP Attorney General and Oliver Barker Vamowo Nikesa Ewo Asha Court.